WAEC 2026, question number 5, theory. A bowl contains red, green, and the black marbles, all of the same size. The number of red marbles are 3, more than the number of green marbles, and the number of black marbles is 1, less than the number of green marbles. If the probability of drawing at random a black marble is 1 over 4, find question A, the number of each color of the marbles. Okay, we begin like this. Let the number of green marbles, okay, let it be G. Okay, that means the number of red marbles now, since it is told that the number of red marbles is 3 more than the number of green. So it is now going to be green plus 3. That is 3 more than green. And also the number of black marbles is said to be 1 less than green. So for black marbles is going to be green marbles minus 1. Okay. All right. We are given that the probability of picking a black marble is given as 1 all over 4. And now in question A, we are expected to find the number of each marbles. Okay, therefore, that is each color of the marbles. Therefore, what we are going to do, we are going to add all the marbles. That means that I can now have red marbles plus black marbles plus green marbles. All right, but the number of red is given as G plus 3. Also, the number of black is given as G minus 1. And again, the number of green marbles is represented with the letter G. So if I sum it up, G plus G plus G is going to give me 3G, okay? And also 3 minus 1 will give me 2, then plus 2. This is now the total number of marbles, the total number of marbles. Moving forward, we are now given the probability of picking black. So if the probability of picking black is given to me as 1 all over 4, but what is probability? Probability is the number of marbles required over the total number of marbles in the bowl. Therefore, the number of blacks that I have is given to me as G, okay, minus 1. While the total number of marbles in the bowl is 3G, okay, 3G plus 2. And this is already given to me as 1 over 4. What I can simply do here is to do a cross multiplication. 4 multiplied by G will give me 4G. And 4 multiplied by negative 1 will give me minus 4. Equal to 1 multiplied by 3G plus 2 will give me 3G plus 2. At this point, I can collect like terms. 4G minus 3G is equal to 2 plus 4. That is moving negative 4 to the right-hand side. 4G minus 3G is going to give me G. And that is equal to then 2 plus 4, which is equal to 6. What that means now is that I have actually gotten the number of green marbles. So for green marbles, the number is equal to 6. Now, for the number of black marbles, I am given the formula from the start that it is equal to G minus 1, which means 6 minus 1, and that is equal to 5 marbles. Also, the number of red marbles is given to me as G plus 3. So that is now going to be 6 plus 3, which is equal to 9. In conclusion to this question, we can simply say that green marbles is equal to 6, while the black marbles is equal to 5, and then the red marbles is equal to 9. Altogether, we have 6 plus 5, 11 plus 9, 20 marbles in the bowl. So that is the solution to question number A. Let's go to question number B. And it says that we should find the probability that a marble drawn at random from the bowl is not black. Okay, probability that it is not black. Okay, what that means is that it is the probability of red or probability of green. Okay, so that is it. Another way it can be done is simply to find, you can write it as 1 minus probability that it is black. Okay, it is black. So either way can give us the answer. So let's use the second method. That is 1 minus, and the probability that it is black was initially given to us as a 1 over 4. Okay, so that makes the answer to be 4 over 4. That is representing 1 minus 1 over 4, which is equal to 3 over 4. So in conclusion, probability that it is not black, okay, is going to be equal to 3 over 4. Meanwhile, you can also use this first method. What it means is that you find the probability of red and add it to the probability of green. You still get the same 3 over 4. Thank you for watching.